back with Livable Buckead, and today we're going to work on adjusting shifters. So adjusting shifters is something that everyone with a geared bike needs to know, and it's deceptively simple, although a good deal depends on the age and components of your bike. Today we're going to go over basic procedure for tuning up shifters on a multi-speed bike. If you have a different setup, or this doesn't solve your problem, then I recommend Arc Tool's YouTube channel, which I'll throw a link for in the description. On this bike, it's very easy to see where the high and low limiter screws are. On the low gear ratio end, it's here at the top, and it stops the cage from moving any farther in. And then if we shift up into the highest gear, you can see that the cage is stopped from its motion by this lower limiter screw here. Start by moving the chain to the outermost position, the highest gear. We're going to adjust the high limit screw, sometimes marked with an H, but we're in the highest position. Adjust the limit screw while turning the pedals until the derailleur sits perfectly aligned with the chain on the smallest cog. Then, move the gears to the lowest ratio, the big chain ring and the biggest cog, and do the same on that end. I won't be touching on indexing in this video, but for most bikes it simply involves moving the barrel adjuster connected to the rear shifter cable till things turn smoothly. Sounds good. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.